Welcome back to my another video. In this video I'm going to share how you can remove any odor from your house including smoky odor, leaving your room inviting and fresh. 1. Keep the waste bin clean. You may be wondering how you can keep one of the biggest sources of smelling odor clean. You can make it possible by not just emptying the bin every day but also cleaning it well before you put a new empty bag inside the bin because the bin itself accumulates smells that stick around. Drop a slice of lemon, lime or orange in it. 2. Filtering the air can also help. Create a cleaner, better smelling atmosphere in the room using simple solutions. If you are a smoker and you smoke in your room, then you have to take all the smoking materials like ashtrays outside. Smoking materials are the main sources of the smoke smell apart from the smoker himself. If you want to get rid of the smoke smell, you'll have to get rid of the source. It will also be a good idea if you don't smoke in the room. 3. Clean the carpet. To remove all the bacteria that accumulates in the carpet and get rid of smells, sprinkle baking soda onto carpets and upholstered furniture, leave it on there for up to 24 hours then vacuum it up. Baking soda is great at absorbing smells. You can also use 1 part vinegar and 3 parts water mixed to rub on the carpet with cloth and then rinse it well with water. 4. Eliminate mold and mildew. Unfortunately, mold visit any damp area of your house, like the shower, bathroom tiles, sinks and so on, but the mixture of 1 cup of bleach with 1 gallon of water in a bucket will do the magic. Spread the mixture onto the affected areas and clean with a stiff bristled brush. 5. Take care of the washing machine. The machine that keeps your clothes clean needs a good cleaning itself. The air hardly ever gets past its well-sealed door, so mold and mildew often grow inside, spreading their odor to the laundry room. To solve this issue, just run a cycle with a cup or 2 of bleach and warm water from time to time. And when you're not using it, leave the lid open. 6. Keep the toilets clean. Toilet is another stinky room if not taken very good care of. Pour 1 cup of vinegar inside the toilet and spray the seat with the vinegar as well. Leave it for 5 minutes, then scrub the inside with a toilet brush and wipe the outside using paper towels. Sprinkle a few drops of your favorite essential oil in the cardboard tube inside the toilet paper with a few drops of your favorite essential oil so that whenever you rip off a piece of toilet paper, the essential oil smell will come out and deodorize the room. 7. Wash away dishwasher smell. Pour vinegar in a cup, put it on the top rack without adding any other dishes and turn it on a full cycle. Or pour 2 cups of vinegar straight onto the bottom of the dishwasher and turn it on a full circle. 8. Remove smell from fridge. Fridge accumulates a lots of smells from the food we put inside. Baking soda help to absorb the bad smells and make it smell neutral. Put an open box of baking soda on the shelf of the fridge and leave it there. You can change it once a year. You can also make use of coffee grounds. Due to the strong aroma of coffee aroma, it'll take over any unpleasant smell in the fridge. Stuff a nylon stocking with coffee grounds and keep it in the back of the fridge for a natural deodorizing effect. 9. Remove food smell. Just opening the kitchen window while cooking will not remove all the smell of food from your kitchen. Boil a cup of vinegar right after cooking or boil a citrus fruit leaving the lid open for a couple for hours. You can also boil cinnamon, ginger, basil, allspice, cranberries. They also work just fine. 10. Clean the microwave. To make the microwave smell like new with basically no effort, drop a sponge or rag soaked with water and dish soap inside and turn it on for about 5 minutes. The steam will clean inside the microwave. 11. Remove smell from shoes. A smelling shoes can make the whole closet stink, but that's no reason to throw them away. Instead, try sprinkling baking soda inside them and leave it overnight. The next morning remove the powder and enjoy your nice, fresh shoes. 12. Refresh your room with good smell. There are many sprays that make your room smell nice. These sprays can be effective as long as they are the right type. When buying a room spray, look for odor eliminating sprays. Burn incense. The spicy aroma of burning incense can mask the smell of smoke. You can get incense in stick powder or pellet form. Make sure to burn your incense in a non-flammable holder and supervise it as long as it is burning. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my video. Bye.